A declaration is hereby made that the President does not have authority under the Constitution to initiate changes to the Constitution, and that a constitutional amendment can only be initiated by Parliament through a parliamentary initiative and Article 256, or through a popular initiative and Article 257 of the Constitution. 4. A declaration is hereby made that the Steering Committee on the implementation of the Building Bridges to a United Kenya Task Force report established by the President, V-Day, Kenya Gazette Notice number 264 of 3rd January 2020, and published in a special issue of the Kenya Gazette of 10th January 2020, is an unconstitutional and unlawful entity.
We don't want about BBI. What is BBI, by the way? Can you tell us what is BBI? We don't want that in BBI. We don't know how it is written. Our people here don't know about the BBI. Can you tell us what is BBI? BBI. Siwa gatejo na jiramenya ni. Tondore ni tuwe toraro tura BBI, tuwe tekera BBI, toto ine ketura tekera. Le tora herwa korono marata tomedome, tuga yes or no. Na leona tato liugo no, todo no kera iwa propaganda. Koma ondo torea kure kongudeine. Ai, totiraro era majiko.
Bajiko tiathomithie tutire turathomithia. We are not to talk about BBI. Na if at all they come and taught us, we are going to accept.